In this video, I am going to show you how to make $5 deposit into your Vantage account, and then you can begin trading with it on MT5. So log into your Vantage app. When you are logged into your Vantage app, click on the deposit located at the top right hand corner here. Click on deposit. So it will bring out all the trading accounts that you have. Just select the one that you want to trade. And if you are going to trade $5, I will advise you to open a Cent account with Vantage. The Cent account allows you to trade in US cents, and you don't have to use the standard lot sizes that are in a regular account. You can be risking something like 1 cent, 5 cents, not even up to $1. So imagine you are risking 0.05 per trade, or 0.1 US dollars in a whole trade. Okay, so as a beginner, it will help you to learn your strategies very well. So it is the Cent account that I am going to select. If you don't know what a Cent account is on Vantage and you are interested in creating it, I have made a video about it. It will appear at the top right hand corner. So I am going to select this particular one, the Cent ECN. I will select it. It ends with 5523. So I want to make deposit, and $5 is the same as 500 cents. So I am going to enter, let's say 500 cents. Then click on continue. So you are going to select the type of payment method you want to use to make your deposit. I prefer the instant bank transfer, so I am going to select that one. So it will tell you the amount you need to pay. In our local currency is 6980. So I am going to make that payment. So click pay now to generate an account number for you. So we have an account number here that has been generated for us. I will click it, and then I will go to my banking app to make deposit into this account, this exact amount, 6980. 6980. Click on confirm. And the money has been deposited. It's 11:22 p.m. now. I will go to my Vantage app to confirm that. Click return to merchant here at the lower part. So you can see the money has reflected immediately in my account. So I can now go over to my MT5 to confirm that. So as far as you have connected your MT5 with that trading account, the money will reflect immediately in your MT5. If you don't know how to connect your Vantage account to MT5, I have made a video about that. It will appear at the top right hand corner. So if I come under the trades, you can see there's an addition of 500 cents into this Vantage account. So I can come over to the quotes located here. Then I will select whichever trading pair that I want to trade. Let's say I want to trade Euro GBP. Click on the chart. So I can enter for a buy right now. So let's say you want to risk, depending on whatever amount that you want to risk. So let us use the 4 hours time frame. So I can actually enter for a buy and set my stop loss just below this lower point. This will give me 4 cents. So just imagine that if I set my stop loss at this level, I'm risking just 4 cents. 4 cents in the 500 cents that you have. This is the advantage of a Cent account, because as a beginner you need it. It helps you to learn about your strategies, but using a real live trading account. So there will be emotions attached, but then you can be risking in very small amounts, such as in cents. Okay, so if you want to increase the lot size, you can use the top right hand button that is blue and red. You are seeing it at the top right hand. I can click on it, then it will drop down the buy and sell buttons for you, so you can alter the lot size here. So you see, if you put 0.1, you'll be risking 40 cents. 40 cents is not even up to half of a dollar. It's not up to $0.5. So you can even put 0.25. That will give us 100 cents, which is like $1. So imagine you are using 4 hours to set your stop loss, yet you are risking only $1. A standard account cannot give you that. A regular account cannot give you that. Only a cent account. That is why if you have small amount of funds and you want to trade, just deposit $5 into your Vantage account and you can begin trading with it. So you can set your take profit level to be at the very high here, or let's just set just before this point. So you are risking $100 to get 450. When you are okay with that, you have seen the positions, you can now click on a buy and it has taken us in. I can now set the stop loss and I can also set the take profit level. So click and modify. So we have entered this already. Our stop loss is set already here. So that is it. With this, I have shown you how to use $5 by depositing it into your Vantage account. Then you can now connect that Vantage trading account that you deposited $5 into it. You can connect it to your MT5 and you can begin trading in cents. Ensure that you have created a cent account and you make deposit to the cent account. If you have any question regarding how to make deposit of $5 and trade with small amount of money on MT5, just let me know in the comment section. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.